Are you going to come back here?
We were right in the middle of it all.
Like I said, she must not be from Iowa.
The hecklers have come here disguised as Romney supporters, complete with Romney signs.
But Ryan didn't let that distract him, talking right over the shouting.
My guess is the reason President Obama isn't making it here from Council Bluffs because he only knows left turns.
Congressman Paul Ryan bounded onto the campaign trail today. The crowds were raucous, and he led the charge against the president. The president rallied a crowd of his own.
We don't want to follow Europe. We don't want a welfare state. We don't want a debt crisis. We don't want to prolong this recession. We don't want to keep this path of household incomes going down $4,000. We want to turn this thing around.
I am told that Governor Romney's new running mate, Paul Ryan, might be around Iowa the next few days. He is one of the leaders of Congress standing in the way. So if you happen to see Congressman Ryan, tell him how important this farm bill is to Iowa and our rural communities. We've got to put politics aside when it comes to doing the right thing for rural America and for Iowa.
You might ask him the same question that I'm getting asked from people all around America, and that is, where are the jobs, Mr. President?
What is immediately clear, though, is that the Obama campaign in Wisconsin is already working harder. Same look for their brand, but a new script to slam the opposition. Calls to Wisconsin voters now deal directly with the Ryan factor. Nice guy, the Obama volunteers say, but a threat to Medicare and Social Security.
I think their policies are the big differences, and I think that Obama, is going to help people like you and I.
And there's more to come. Ryan has long been Obama's nerdy nemesis, the guy who picks apart the president's plans piece by piece, starting with the health care bill 3 years ago.
A bill that is full of gimmicks and smoke and mirrors.
The following year, a visit by President Obama to a Republican conference turned into a tete-a-tete between Ryan and Obama.
The discretionary spending, the bills that Congress signs, that you sign into law, that has increased 84%.
We'll have a longer debate on the budget numbers then.
And a hot mic at a fundraiser caught President Obama saying what he really thinks about Paul Ryan.
This is the same guy who voted for 2 wars that were unpaid for, voted for the Bush tax cuts that were unpaid for, voted for the prescription drug bill that cost as much as my health care bill but wasn't paid for.
He may be the number 2 guy on the Republican ticket, but Ryan is quickly becoming target number 1 for Democrats. Ryan says he's ready to do battle. He'll be armed with lots of numbers and a smile.